Hey guys, it's the Keto King here, and this is gonna be probably one of my quickest videos on my channel because this is the quickest, easiest low carb side that you guys can make. We're gonna be making a low carb green bean and almond slivers side. The ingredients you'll need are some green beans, almond slivers, olive oil, and lemon juice. That's it. Let's get to it. Alright, grab yourself a pan and put it on a medium-high heat. Add a nice generous helping of olive oil, just eyeball it. While your olive oil is heating up, grab your green beans. I buy the pre-washed, pre-cut beans, so it's just absolutely no preparation whatsoever. Simply grab them out of the bag, pop them into your pan. Now, I'm not giving you an amount to put in because you can scale this up or down as you like, and you can put as much of each ingredient in as you like. So really, just do as much as you want to make for the evening. Once your oil is hot, you want to just fry these, moving it around, back and forth, so all of the sides get coated by the olive oil. If you see it start looking a little dry, simply add a little more olive oil. Now after just a minute or so, you'll see the beans are getting some nice color on it, on a few of them. Now we're not trying to cook them until soft. You just want to get a flash fry on the outside of the beans. Then grab your almond slivers. You can buy these in the bulk section of your local grocery. And add these to the pan. Again, no measurements, no amounts here. Just put in as much or as little as you like. Give that a stir again. Now keep an eye on these almond slivers because they can get burned very quickly, so don't walk away from the pan. Just keep on stirring it, ensuring you do not get a nice coating of that olive oil on the almonds and all the beans. As you can see, just after 30 seconds here, you can already see the almonds are getting some color to them. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. Alright, and now my almonds are almost done. You don't want them burnt. Grab the lemon juice. You can absolutely use fresh lemons, and I would recommend fresh lemons, but this is convenient, and do a spray on the pan. Turn off your heat and give that all a good stir. And you end up with an amazing low carb side, the green beans and almond slivers like this. Then simply pair this wonderful low carb side with any type of dish you have. Tonight, I'm having some leftovers of a low carb eggplant lasagna. I'll have to make a video about this recipe sometime soon because it is amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. Smash that thumbs up button, and of course, keep it keto.